In this video, we're going to look at Edexcel English Language Paper 2 Question 7b. Overall, this question is worth 14 marks, and the mark scheme is split into 5 levels. The question will ask you to look at both texts. Before the exam, it would be worth taking some time to revise which assessment objective each question examines, so you know how best to answer. Paper 2 Question 7b assesses AO3, which is your ability to compare writers' ideas and perspectives and how they convey them across 2 or more texts. So, for this question, you'll be looking at the writer's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and points of view about a specific subject. Before you start to answer, it's important to look closely at the focus of the question. Some students find it difficult to get marks on this question because they generalize what the ideas and perspectives of the writers are, rather than looking at the specific focus of the question. For example, if the question asks you to compare how the writers present their ideas and perspectives about banning extreme sports, you need to be looking specifically at where these ideas and viewpoints are presented. It's worth highlighting the focus of the question, in this case, banning extreme sports, and putting it above both texts. This will help you focus on finding the relevant information. In order to score highly on this question, you want to cover at least 3 valid comparisons in your answer, and make sure that each one is supported by relevant quotations taken from across the whole texts. Supporting your ideas with analytical comments about tone, recurring themes, or extended ideas can help you demonstrate to the examiner that you're analysing across the 2 texts, rather than only focusing on a narrow aspect. You need to be specific about what the writer is trying to achieve, and make sure you're linking it to the question. For example, part of your response could be, the writer believes strongly that base jumping should be banned as it takes place in built-up areas where innocent people become victims of reckless behaviour. By using the word victims, the writer clearly thinks that the people who base jump are like criminals, causing harm to innocent people and reinforcing the idea that it should be banned. As this is a comparison question, you can cover similarities and differences, so practice using your connectives. These are words like both, whereas, however, and similarly. Okay, we'll leave it there. This is what you need to remember to be successful on Edexcel Paper 2 Question 7b. Your response needs to include 3 valid comparisons using evidence taken from across both texts, and must discuss the writer's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, attitudes, and points of view about the specific focus of the question. It'd be worth practicing what we've just walked through with an actual exam paper so you can see how it works and try answering it yourself. Why not have a go using the Edexcel style paper that's attached to this pod? Good luck!